Welcome to our comprehensive guide on electric vehicle, EV charging stations. Today, we'll explore everything you need to know about planning, designing, and operating an EV charging station. First, let's dive into the basics of EV charging infrastructure. According to David L. Scott's book, Understanding the Technology and Infrastructure is crucial for a successful setup. Next, we'll discuss the step-by-step process of building an EV charging station. John R. Johnson's handbook provides valuable insights on installation, maintenance, and customer service. Emerging technologies and market trends are shaping the future of EV charging. Richard M. Langworth's book highlights the importance of staying updated with regulatory frameworks and new advancements. Starting an EV charging station business requires thorough market research and financial planning. David L. Scott's Business Plan Guide offers essential tips for a successful launch. For ongoing learning, consider listening to podcasts like the Electric Vehicle Charging Podcast and the EV Charging Station Podcast. These cover a range of topics from technology to customer service. YouTube channels such as Electric Vehicle Charging Station provide practical guides on building, maintaining, and repairing EV charging stations. These resources are invaluable for hands-on learning. Finally, online courses from platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and LinkedIn Learning offer structured learning paths. These courses cover everything from business planning to the future of EV charging.